Welcome to Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance. Today's reflection asks a deeply personal question. Is your money mindset stealing your inner peace? Money isn't just a currency, it's a mirror. It reflects our deepest beliefs about safety, worth, power, and even love. And for many of us, those beliefs are rooted not in truth, but in fear. We inherit our money stories from our parents, our culture, our wounds. Some of us were told there's never enough. Others, that wanting more is greedy. Some of us learn to overwork to feel worthy. Others to fear success itself. Pause and reflect. What were you taught about money growing up? What emotions surface when you think of your earliest memories tied to money? Now ask, how is your current relationship with money affecting your nervous system, your spiritual clarity, your ability to feel safe in the moment? If money triggers anxiety, guilt, dread, or resistance, it's often not about the numbers. It's about the meaning you've attached to them, meaning born from fear, not peace. Ask yourself, do I feel worthy when I earn? Ashamed when I rest? Do I tie success to love? Or struggle to receive abundance without guilt? Our money beliefs live in the body. They shape our pace, our stress, our sense of self. When out of alignment, we hoard, hustle, overspend, undercharge, or shut down, and through it all we lose our center. Let's take a moment to ground. Gently close your eyes. Place a hand over your heart. Inhale for 4. Hold. Exhale slowly for 6. As you breathe, whisper, I am safe. I am supported. I release fear. Money can't give you peace, but it can reveal where peace is missing. It can show us the stories we've inherited and the ones we're now ready to rewrite. Here's a gentle metaphor. Imagine your money beliefs as a garden. Some plants were nurtured with truth, others grew from seeds of fear. What are you still watering that no longer serves you? Now ask, what does a peaceful relationship with money look like? Not one defined by lack or striving, but by clarity, trust, and grace. This is the invitation to approach money from the heart, not to ignore it, but to relate to it with compassion, awareness, and presence. Try this. The next time you check your bank account or receive a bill, pause, breathe. Say gently to yourself, I am not defined by this number. I am enough. My peace is not for sale. You are not your income. You are not your debt. You are not your past mistakes. You are a soul, learning, evolving, healing your way back to truth and trust. Let this be the season you begin again, one breath, one belief, one sacred choice at a time. Let your financial life become a reflection of your inner peace, not your inner pressure. If this message stirred something within you, I invite you to subscribe and share your reflections in the comments. You're not alone on this path. Together we heal, not just our mindset but our spirit. And always remember, true wealth is found in your calm, not in the chase but in the stillness that says, I already am. I already have. I am already whole. Peace, love, and light to you on your continual spiritual journey.